Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making a steak dinner. I missed last week's episode due to a death in the family, and I'm trying to keep things super simple this week, but it is Memorial Day and I need a steak. So we're starting off with this ribeye. It's not quite as thick as I would prefer, but it's hard to get cut to order where I am right now. I salted it. I let it sit for about an hour, maybe a little more. Hitting it with some pepper. And now we're going to reverse sear it. I've got my oven set to 250 degrees. And I'm putting my probe in. If you don't have a probe, you might have to watch it a little closer, but you'll get the same results if you just have a normal thermometer. It's fine. Now I'm going to shove this in the oven for an hour until the probe hits 115 degrees. Next up, we got to prep the potatoes. We're going to rub them down with some olive oil. And while the potatoes are out, dose them up with some sea salt. I think there's something wrong with my probe because it thinks that it's at least 10 degrees hotter than it is. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Okay, now I'm preheating my air fryer to 400 degrees. That's how I'm going to do the potatoes. I've never done potatoes in the air fryer before, but this seems like a great opportunity for laziness. Also, it seems like that steak's going to be done much sooner than I anticipated. So I'm going to hold it after I pull it from the oven, and then we'll sear it later. It's annoying, and it won't be as perfect as I want it. But again, lazy steak dinner. At some point, while the potatoes are cooking, prep a thyme sprig and crush 2 cloves of garlic. Oh crap, I forgot to hit play. So what you're doing is you're getting your cast iron smoking hot. Then you're dropping some butter in. Then you are dropping in your garlic and your thyme. Then you're going to drop it until you get this light, nice sear on it. I could probably go a little longer there. Then we're going to flip it. And after we flip it, we're going to butter baste it. In a normal week, I would probably use the extra steak that I bought on sale and reshoot this so that it was right without that whoopsie doodle right there. Unfortunately, given the events of the past couple weeks, I have no energy to do that whatsoever and no time to do that whatsoever. So you're just gonna have to bear with me. And I like to do the sides too. Try to get that fat a little bit rendered. Okay, and once that's done, we're going to rest it. A little bit of butter on top. He says, giant butter paddly. Gently tent with tin foil. We're going to let that sit for 5 or 10 minutes. And during that time, I'm making some steam fresh Brussels sprouts. Potato looks nice and fluffy. The skin is crispy. Didn't need to do 2 hours for that. Go ahead and stuff some butter in there. Give it a little bit of a smush. That's a technical term, meaning smush. Then we can bring our steak over here. Also good. We get some Brussels sprouts. I dream about these sometimes. I've been thinking about this one for a little while. So first, I'm going to drop a little Parmesan on them. Yeah. Then, a little balsamic glaze. This is the good stuff. You don't need to boil it. And finally, for just a little bit of crunch, some sesame seeds. That was a little rougher than I wanted it to be, but let's see how we did. And looks like we got a good medium rare going on the steak. Not bad. So the only mistake I made was not filming appropriately. Sorry, jerkins. And it's real good too. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Leave a comment down below. Let me know whether I failed or succeeded today. I'm not really sure. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.